Hello guys, today I show you how to fit the picture with background. You see, it is the same. But if you don't fit it like this, see, you see it's not good, yeah. So how to fit it? Sorry. So I have a picture here. I have a new task here. So drag this picture to this one. So small, yeah. Make it bigger. Like this. Okay. And then take another picture. I have a picture here. It is white. Drag it in the Photoshop. Make it the same. Okay. Take it under this picture. So this is under this one. And then take this one gradient. Click linear. Oh, and then I'm sorry. Convert this to smart object. Sorry. Convert it to smart object. Yeah. And then click this add mask, gradient, layer, linear, and drag this from this to this. Again, again, again. See, that's done. That's cool, guy. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.